Do you want to whiten up your skin in a healthy way, in a way that people can hardly identify you as a dark skinned person before? Even when you tell them, they'll argue with you because your skin is uniformed, your skin is perfect, from head to toe is the same shade. So this video is for you because I'm going to take you details on how to make this whitening body lotion. This is actually for my customer, but I want to put you guys through. So sit back and watch this video to the very end. So before we continue, hi guys, it's your girl Fresh Natural Glow. Welcome back to my channel. I'll go ahead and introduce my ingredients. Now most of you have started concluding in your mind, Fresh, you have come again. How many whitening this thing am I seeing here? And you say strong whitening. That is because I don't believe in putting thousands and millions of tube and serums in one production. Those things has their own pH, those things has their own effective ingredients, so abusing it I am not in. You understand? So this is my base, made or formulated by me from scratch. Okay, this base is a whitening base. This base, if you're using it direct to your skin alone without adding anything, it's going to brightening up your skin, not whitening up your skin. It's going to brightening up your skin. So this is very effective and it does not change color. Most of you that will come to my DM, like, I made a lot of base and it changes color, please be mindful of what you're adding and go for proper training. Okay, so here I have my concentrate, I have my glutathione comprime. Guys, I want to talk about this serum you are seeing here is 15,000 naira, just one. I know most of you will be like, oh, something I'll just go and get 3,000 naira. Now we have different type. There is different type of this. There is two of this. Okay, so this one of 3,000 naira is good, but not to compare this 15,000 naira on. But me guys, I will get this over and over again because I have tried it time without number. Any of my production you see me using glutathione prime, I'm not using the regular glutathione prime. Okay, and if you really want the best for your customer, let me tell you, if customers trust you a lot with their millions, with their money, their hard-earned money, for you to make production so they can give to customer, their own customer, and make their own gain, please do everything possible to give them the best. Do everything possible to give them the best. We're using one of this. The next I have is this purple oil. This is a lightening and moisturizing oil. This helps to smooth the skin and fade dark spot. Two of this. And the next one I have here is my lavender repair essential oil. This oil helps to treat the skin. This helps to treat scars, dark spot, and repair the skin. Like, this is very, very good. You can use this in your stretch mark oil. In fact, I don't mix this. Why do my stretch mark oil? So you can use this on your stretch mark oil. You can use this direct to your scars. It works like magic. So I'm using one, and here I have my perfect leg, Shanique perfect leg. I'm using one, and here I have my almighty tightener tube. This tightener tube, guys, is very, very effective for reactions. I know most of you be like, hey, whitening. No, this is not a whitening tube. This is a anti-reactions tube that help to clear anything that this cream will give you, any reaction at all that this cream will give you. Okay, so guys, I have my vegetable grassling, I have my propylene glycol, I have my Egyptian milk. Guys, this is the if you're my customer, this is the secret of that smell that you'll be like, oh, my children are wasting my soap. This is the secret. This is our Egyptian milk, guys. This is very, very good. You know how condensed milk smells? That is how this smells. Like, this even smell more strong than condensed milk. So I'm using this as well to give it that good smell. So here I have my rose water. This is the remaining rose water I used for the face cream I made before. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, I'm going to put it here. I might probably post it first before this or post this before that, but I'm also going to tag it in each of the videos so you will click and watch. You can use that face cream along with this, guys, and you're going to get a perfect result. Okay, but note that you're using these two product at night. Okay, I'm using 6 pieces this tightness tube. I'm using 6 pieces of it. Okay, done adding the tube. This is the tube. I added 6, so you go ahead and mix this together. Go ahead and add my oil. Honestly, this is going to moisturize the skin. This will moisturize the skin very well. Okay, not like leaving your skin dry. Of this, wow, this looks so good, guys. So I just added my glutathione comprime. Okay, I just added my glutathione comprime. I added everything, so go ahead and mix this together. Guys, I have a testimony to share with you guys. I have this customer that chatted me through YouTube after watching my video, and she was like, oh Presh, I appreciate your video, I love your video, and I have been into this business before, like buying from people and reselling, because I don't have time. She resides at USA, so she don't have time, so that is why she decide to buy from people, but they end up disappointing her. After paying heavily, they'll end up giving her a product that will damage her customer skin or get them darker. So the complaint was much and she don't like it, so she have to stop. Now since she found me, she was like, okay, let her give it a try, because of my videos and other things that she has been following me for a while, but on my Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so I said okay, so she paid, and guys, I tried my possible best to give her the best products, and guys, it works. So for a year now, she has been buying, reselling, guys. To my greatest surprise, she reached out to me that she wants to buy as usual. So the order she placed was double like her usual order. So I was like, what happened? Is this how the business is going? Guys, honestly, if you go to her Instagram page, you will not believe your eyes. So she was like, Presh, you will not understand, people now buy from me and resell. I was like, what? Like, are you kidding me? She said yes, people now buy from her and resell. So that is a good news. I was so excited for her. Imagine buying a product of, let's say, Nigeria currency, buy a product of 30,000, trust dollar now, so you buy from there, you don't know how much you make. So I was so excited for her, because that is the real deal, like the achievements you're talking about. So that is it. Okay, so I just added my perfect leg, my shiny perfect leg. Okay, I just added my shiny perfect leg. Okay, so you go ahead and mix together. So I'm adding my propylene glycol. This is 1 tablespoon. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my propylene glycol to make the product penetrate your skin. Okay, it's very important to add your propylene glycol while making your face cream, body lotion, and your soap. Okay, so this is my vegetable Vaseline. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my vegetable Vaseline. This is gonna moisturize the skin and make sure you exfoliate your skin
twice in a week. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Please help me subscribe, smash the like button, and share the video with your friends and family. Love you guys. Bye.